Hey there! Here are the top 3 OneXBet promo codes that are working right now, perfect for September 2025. Before we continue, make sure to create your official OneXBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. GATV, GETV and BUTV, all up to 300% on your very first deposit. I leave these codes in the description so you can copy and paste them easily. And remember, codes expire fast, so grab them while they work. And to activate them, you simply need to go to menu, then you will find this section Other, Promo code check, and here you can put them and click check. If this video was useful, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.